My name is Paulette Egan and welcome to my yoga therapy program for high blood pressure. I am going to show you 4 different breathing techniques combined together to create a calmness in your body, reducing your blood pressure. And if you will practice this for 15 minutes every day, I could guarantee to you that you will feel better in yourself and your blood pressure will be lower. Overall well-being will have improved greatly. Sitting on a chair, make yourself nice and comfortable, make sure that you are warm and that you will not be disturbed. I am going to share with you 4 different pranayams that you will do one after the other and repeat every day for 15 minutes, and it will have a lasting effect on your body and your mind. So sit quietly and then place your right hand onto your tummy. Shoulder blades relaxed. Begin to breathe in, and as you breathe in, the tummy moves out. So breathing in. On the exhalation, draw the navel back in. Pause. Inhaling, tummy moves out. And on the exhalation, draw the tummy back in. If you are new to a breathing technique, it's quite okay that you may not have any movement in the core right now, but with a little bit of practice, you will be fine. So you could even place 2 hands here if you wish. Take a breath in. Draw the navel back in. Tummy moving out, diaphragm moving down. Draw the navel back in. Tummy moving out. Draw the navel back in. Pausing at the end of the exhalation. Just make sure your feet are relaxed, your shoulders are always away from the ears. Now for the video, I am going to be doing like 1 minute of each of them, okay? But once you become aware and become familiar with my program, then I would like you to extend into it yourself. The second breath, I want you to place your hands into 2 mudras. So the first mudra is ring finger, or this finger to the thumb, place it like this, and then to here, and you place it down, okay? Settle back in, take a breath in, inhaling for a count of 4. Pause for 4. Exhaling for a count of 4. Pause for 4. Close your eyes or take your gaze to the floor, inhaling for 4. Pause for 4. Exhaling for 4. Pause for 4. Depending on the quality of your lungs, your 4 might be quite fast or it might be a little slow, so it can be a long 4, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for 4. Exhale for 4. Pause for 4. Or it could be quite short, like 4, 4. So you follow your own count. You do not force the lungs. Allow the breath to be free and just allow the breath to move in and out. Take a breath in. Count to 4. Pause for 4. Exhale for 4. Pause for 4. Inhale for 4. Pause for 4. Exhale for 4. Pause for 4. Place both hands onto your knees and just sit quietly for a moment, allowing your body to absorb that. And the third pranayama that I'm going to take you through today, it's called the Brahma breath. And literally what you do is you want to be able to close off exterior noises, and you are going to hum like a bee, and you are going to bring this wonderful vibration down through your body, and it is like just wonderful. So place your thumbs into your ears. You can place your hands onto your head if you wish. Take a breath in through your nose. And on the exhalation, hum like a bee, like release. Hands onto your knee for a moment. Sit quietly and just allow the breath to be free, to be normal. At this stage, you're going to have a lovely feeling of calmness coming down over your body. So we're moving into one last pranayama that you would do to finish off. So you're bringing your right hand up to your face, okay? So you close in these two fingers, okay? Like that. So here we have the right and the left nostril. Start inhaling through the right. Close off the right with the thumb. Exhaling through the left. Inhaling through the left. Exhaling through the right. Inhaling through the right. Close off both nostrils, exhaling through the left. When you finish this, you would always finish on the left and you would take your hands back down. So now you're going to feel this wonderful lightness right here in the forehead, and what happens with that alternative nostril breathing is that it actually creates a balance between the right and the left side of your brain. So now you are going to sit quietly, shoulders relaxed. You might want to have a blanket or something around you, doesn't matter. And just allow your breath to return to normal. Being aware of your entire body sitting on the chair. Allow the feet to let go, relax them, shoulder blades. Take your gaze back down to the floor. Rub the palms together. Place your hands over your eyes. This has got a very calming effect. Opening out your eyes to the light. Hands onto your tummy. Shoulders relaxed. And you're good to go. Thank you for joining me, and I shall see you in my next video. Namaste.